I didn't think I needed this workbench until I saw what it could do. So right now this is a workbench that you can work from, you could drill, clamp into. It has measurements all along this side. So with the legs extended, this is the perfect height to do that. You could drop the legs and use this as a platform that you can step onto. At this height, it could hold up to 550 pounds. But what I like about this is that you can pull up the handle, lock this in, use this tray, put it up here, so that you can work up here and grab your tools when you need it. And you can drop the legs fully and use this as a car creep. So I can lay down like this. And if you remember, this handle can come up. Now I can use this as a dolly. This just replaced 4 tools into one, and now I save space in the garage. These are on sale right now in the TikTok shop. If you want to get it, I have it linked below right here. Make sure you get it before the sale ends. And if you thought, Mike, that's pretty cool, give me a follow here. That's my handle.